Hey, what's going on, everybody? Look what I have here. The new Dyson 360 Heurist. Pretty excited to get this one, I must admit. Always been a fan of Dyson. Their stand-up vacuums are outstanding. So, this came out. I decided to order it. I had to order it from Canada. So, like I said, I'm pretty excited. I think it's going to be an outstanding robot. I can't wait to put it up against all the other ones. So, let's unbox this bad boy. All right, guys, let's cut into this. Brand new from Canada. Ooh. A little bit of dust or dirt on top. Not sure what that's from. A lot smaller than I thought. Same with the packaging. I thought this was gonna be a lot bigger, which is not a big deal to me, but I really like that blue. That's a good looking vacuum. Here's the filter. And the battery. This thing is very good looking. But like I said, it's a lot smaller than I thought. Taller, of course, so it won't fit under couches or anything like that, but I brought the new Shark IQ just to show you the size difference. It's about the size of every other robot. And you got the little Dyson. Pretty big difference. As far as the brush roller goes, the Dyson's a little bit wider, about, I'd say 2.5, 3 inches wider. So it's gonna be better on sucking up as it's going. Won't do as many passes. It's got the wheel up front, just like all of them. This one's like spring loaded. This one runs on tracks instead of wheels, which is pretty cool. They actually call them tank tracks. I don't know, I'm loving the looks of this. This is a really cool looking robot. Got a couple of handles. And this is the camera system it uses. So most of the camera-based systems cannot work in pitch black. So they included, these are all LEDs that light up. And it gives just enough light to let this see where it's going. And it will be able to clean in the pitch black. So that's nice. 78,000 RPMs. Carbon fiber filaments. And here we have the dustpan. That's a pretty small bin. I thought it was going to be bigger. One thing I just noticed about these, they don't have bumper guards like every other robot. That's quite weird. I'm really excited to see how this baby cleans. Man, those tank tracks are cool. This is hands down the coolest looking robot. All right, let's move on to the contents. They have a very slim design dock. Folds up. Very slim. And then of course you have the charging cable. pretty cool. So you plug this into the wall, and then you wrap the cord around this. That's cool. I like that. It's a good looking design. Dyson always wins the design factor for vacuums, and all their products really. I'm a big Dyson fan. I got a few of their actual fans as well. Then we have the warranty, safety info, and how to use your robot. Download the Dyson Link app. I'll have to do that. And as I'm setting up the app, I'll show you guys how to set it up and everything. Very cool. And that's it. Nothing else in the box. Alright, I'm going to keep this out just in case. Usually don't need them, but who knows. Alright. And here we have it again. Very good looking, like I said already. Very cool. Small, yet very tall though. So if you want a robot to clean underneath your couch and stuff, this one is not going to be able to do it. Very cool. All right, that is just simply the unboxing. If you have any questions on this, throw it down in the comments and I will look it up, and I'm going to do lots of tests with this guy. Okay, looks like that. Very cool. I would assume the battery is dead from the factory. Alright guys, let me get this charged up and I will do a full review on this guy in the upcoming days after I get it fully charged, after it runs and makes a map of the house. And then I'm going to compare it with all the other robots I have. So very cool videos to come. So do yourself a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so when I upload these, you'll be the first to see them. And you guys all have a great day. See ya. Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick screen grab of the app and how you set up this robot. It was very easy and very quick and a very nice system. I'd have to say this is probably the cleanest app I've seen. So far I'm pretty happy with this robot. I haven't even tried it yet, but just over the app and knowing it's a Dyson and the looks of it and everything, I got high hopes. So hopefully when I come to review this, it's going to be very highly praised by me and I can recommend it to everybody. Alright, thanks for watching again, and once again, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, more than you think. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up. That way it'll move it closer to the top of the search, which really helps a lot. Anyways, once again, have a great day. Talk to y'all later.